Give me the toy.
All right. You want some?
Yes, got it. Hold on. Okay.
I'm just going to give you a little bit because you might not like it. And I don't want to waste it. Is that be?
Yeah, I got.
You like carrot?
Not really.
You know? Well, I'll try not to give you a carrot.
What's your? Oh no! Give me the toy.
Carrots are good for you.
This dog's annoying.
All right, Missy.
Oh, I have to start recording.
I'm recording him.
Yeah.
I don't want you to send it to me. Get it, Marley. Get it. Get it, Marley.
Come on, Marley.
Get it, Marley.
Ready? Let go of it. Come on, let go of it. I need to let go of it so I can do something.
Carrots.
No, you're not getting it. Nope. 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 Come on. Puppy. Give me the puppy. Give me the toy. Give me the toy. Give me the toy. I want toy. Give me. Come on. I want the toy. Oh, got it. No. No, I almost had it. I almost had the toy. Let me see the toy. Let me see the toy. You know what? Fine. You want to give me a toy? No. I want the toy. I want it. I can't get the toy. Is there meat in this? There's meat. Oh God, he got my finger. Trying to take the toy away from his mouth and I just grab it. No.
Right.
Give me.
You want pepper?
Yeah, sure, hold on.
I'll put too much salt.
No. This dog is getting on my nerves. I want the toy. Come on, do you think you can distract him?
Are you still recording it?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I want the toy just so I can do something funny. Hold on, wait. Is there another toy? There has to be a toy somewhere. Come on. Saw a red one somewhere. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
This is hot.
There it is. Come
I
on,
hope
come on.
it's good.
Look what I got.
I'm
Look
standing
what I got. Okay, go ahead. Hey, you think you can give him a piece of meat? Just so he can just calm down for a second.
Just let him go. Why you want him?
I want to just... I know, he's not going to let go.
He ain't gonna let go.
He won't.
Marley, look. Come here. Ah. Mama got you to let it go.
No, here, hold that. Hold that. This one's mine. He jumped for it. I gotta put my pants. Oh. No.
Okay, I want the green one.
No, not the green one. No. He got it again. Come on up.
You want some bread with yours?
Yeah, sure.
I got some good rolls.
Sure. Oh.
I bought some new ones. I hope they're good. Oh, I got my coffee.
Nope.
And Marley.
Oh, God. He got the whole thing. No, give me
I'm
the.
gonna drink that hazelnut first.
He got the whole thing. Come here. Back.
Tablestone sweet party rolls.
I will get that back. Yes.
Oh, what happened to it? Marley, what happened to? Oh, he loves that black monkey too.
Mine now. No, mine.
All right, honey. Supper's ready.
I'm stopping it. Yeah, my hair's
These are good.